Hi, my name is Andy. In this video I will show how to upgrade from 2 GB to 4 GB the RAM memory to a HP Compact DC7800 Ultra Slim Desktop PC. Here I have two sticks of 2 GB each. The memories are from Hynix and works at 800 MHz. Let's begin. Aloha is the most Hawaiian word. In the Hawaiian language it can mean hello or goodbye. It also means love and affection. Because I like this word, I will use from now on aloha instead of hi. Please comment if you like it or not. This is the PC. Now I will unplug the cables, the internet cable, the power cable, the monitor cable, the keyboard and the mouse. Now I will push the power button about 10 seconds to discharge the capacitors from the motherboard. I flip the PC and unscrew the screw from the top cover. I remove the top cover and here are the RAMs that I will upgrade. Now I will remove the old RAMs. The first, focus please, focus. Okay, focus. Okay, this is a 1 GB RAM. Now I will remove the second RAM. This is a 1 GB too. Focus please. Focus. Okay. Now I will insert the new RAMs. The first one and the second. That's 4 GB RAM. Now I will plug a cable, the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor cable, the internet cable, and the power cable. And now I will press the power button. The PC is booting up. It recognizes 4 GB RAM. I will press the F1 button to save the changes. Okay, I pressed. Now the PC is rebooting. This is the HP logo. And booting the Windows. That's it. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, comment, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. See you next time.